Recently, the battery of my remote key started getting weak. At first, it started by not responding when I was more than 10 or so feet away from the car. It only responded when I came to almost touching distance to the vehicle. From this point, things only got worse. It started randomly failing, especially during the night and cold mornings. As a matter of fact, during such instances, I had no option but to use a traditional mechanical key to gain entry into the vehicle. When this failure occurred, especially during cold moments, the only way to charge things up quickly again, I discovered, was by use of the sun for a few minutes or direct use of the headlights. Tired of the embarrassment, I got some CR 2016 Duracell coin batteries. 2 packs as a matter of fact. I did not want any stories this time around. Glad that my remote key would work again as intended, I donned my DIY hat and got to business. Swapping up the cells was actually easy, easier than I had imagined. Unfortunately, when I put in the new cell, nothing happened, not even the signal flash from the remote case. I was confused. Immediately, I put back the old cell and it worked just fine, though weakly. It was at that moment that I knew that it was going to be a more DIY intensive task than I had hoped. It was also at that point that I knew that it was going to be a long day or week ahead. What could have gone wrong? What did I miss? If you've got any clue, kindly share in the comments below. And as always, your likes and shares are appreciated. If you love to see how I resolve this challenge on my own, typical DIY style, kindly subscribe and enable the notification button so that you'll be the first to know when the resolution video comes out. Until the next one, keep wrenching.